What's up YouTube? My name is Eric with Megabit Tech, and if you clicked on this channel, you want to know more about me. So without further ado, as I said, my name's Eric. I've been in IT professionally for about 10 years, and my purpose for creating this channel is pretty simple. I want to spread awareness and education about IT and technology related fields, as well as grow my own awareness and education about IT and technology related fields. So basically, if it's technology related, it's going to be covered on this channel at some point in time, most likely. That's laptops, cellular phones, custom water cooling loops, tablets, headsets. I have an old rotary phone here that I plan on repairing and converting it so that it can actually make calls on a modern network. Basically, like I said, if it's technology related, guys, I'm going to cover it. So if that interests you in any way, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one.